As you can tell, I love Anker products. They make great and affordable speakers and headphones. Today, we'll look at the Anker Soundcore Live Q20 headphones. Love them. Let's do it. Here they are, my trusty Soundcore Live Q20 headphones. I use them pretty much every day. I had those, for 4 years perhaps? I don't remember. It's a plastic build, but seriously, I've carried them around in my backpack, around my neck, and obviously on my head for years now. Super, super sturdy. Obviously, you can extend them to fit your head. They can lay flat to be stored in your backpack more easily. And look at that. I've never changed them. Those are the original pads, and they are like new. Soundcore logo here. Very, very nice stuff. You get your outlets, so micro USB for charging and mini jack cable. I use them on Bluetooth to go to work, and then when I arrive at the office, I plug my cable with microphone and use them on my computer for my Teams meeting. You get your usual controls, volume, skip tracks, play, stop. On the other side, you get your power button and the noise cancelling, because those are noise cancelling headphones. And seriously, with it turned on, it's as quiet as when I close the door when my kip is trapped in the car. I get those few seconds of rest before I enter and get to the driver's seat. That padding as well on the head, original, like new. I've been happy with those headphones ever since I bought them. I really recommend you check them out if you're in the market for headphones. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to check them. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing. See you next time. Cheers!